Hey guys! So today's video is an unboxing plus review video on a gift which I received recently from USA. So make sure you watch this video till the very end, like this video, share it with your family, friends and loved ones and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started.
Like a Hellcat.
So it's time for today's shout out. Congratulations to the winner. If you do want a shout out by me, then comment down below your answer to today's shout out question to get featured in my next video.
This video is not sponsored or affiliated with Instagram or DreamDarkoShop. Whatever I'll be speaking in this video are purely my point of views and opinions. I don't expect to have sponsorships of.
Where's the product? Wait. No worries. Coming up. So guys, as you can see, this is the product which I recently received and I'm very excited to open it.
Okay.
So are you guys too excited to see what's there inside? If yes, comment down below. And the best part is that this product is from USA. So it's time to unbox this packaging. So I'm opening this packet and here comes out a cute purple color packet again inside this, and we are gonna open this soon. And now we are opening this packet. And now we get a cute packet of some candies and there's written Happy Valentine's Day. Then we get a cute letter with that with a small red color heart. And I'm gonna open it. And there comes a message by her, and that is, Dear Samriti, congrats on winning the contest. I hope these stickers find you well and I hope you enjoy them. Thank you so much DreamDarkoShop, and I'm very happy with these stickers. And there comes our star of this review. Yep, it's written thank you, welcome. So we are gonna open it. And opening, and 3, 2, 1. Opening it. Shit. So by mistakenly I tore the envelope and I'm very sorry for that. But yeah, let's continue. So I have taken this. And the star of this video, these cute and awesome stickers are here, so I'm gonna show you all the stickers one by one.
Okay.
So I'm given 2 cards like this, so I'm aware of like how to use these stickers and yeah, those normal precautions. So if you want to pause, you can pause this video and read it. Now I'm opening this packet and let's see all the stickers one by one. Now it's time to see all the products again in short. It's time for today's shoutout question. The winner will be shoutouted in the next video. So the question is, what needs to be broken before using it? Comment down your answers below to get a shoutout by me in the next video.
It's blooper time!
So as you guys can see, this is the parcel from United States. If you can see, this is the parcel from United States.
Oh my god! Wow!
I hope you enjoyed this.
何
お前はもう死んでいる。
So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then please make sure to give us a big thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell icon too to get the latest notifications whenever I upload a new video. And did you like today's unboxing plus review video? If you did, then comment down below. I would be very happy to know your opinions, and I'll think of making more such videos. And if you have any challenge suggestions, or if you feel like I should do some improvements, or if anything like that, or any video suggestions for future, then let me know that in the comment section below. And I mentioned that again, this video is not sponsored by Instagram or DreamDarkoShop. Everything is my opinion, that's purely my opinion. But her store is very amazing, and the link to her store is in the description. She's also there on Instagram, so you can check her out. So peace, signing out, bye bye. I'll see you guys very soon with new videos.
Okay.
So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please make sure to check out this video too and subscribe to my channel. It will help me out a lot. See you next time guys. Bye bye.